Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Saturday 23rd of April. And right now we do see a little bit of a shift to the upside for Solana as well, and probably Solana could take you to $103, I guess, before going to the downside. I do see a lot of projects actually making a falling wedge and a little bit of a bullish momentum. So we do have some small vector candles printing out. So yeah, so right now I do expect Solana to come up to this level, $103, as a very small, let's say, scalping trade or whatnot, because of how you have already broken out of this resistance. Do you see that? Broke out of the resistance, making some vector candles to take you back to this place. So it's a very normal trade. I know it's not a big amount of rise to the upside, but it's gonna be resisted maybe at the 104. So let's say the maximum it can go is 104 at the moment. Why? Because this was your last place of support as well. So if you look at it this way, you had like a small double top right over here that you broke out of, went to the downside, met the target, and you might just go for the retest, the 104, before actually dumping to the downside. So it is what it is. It's gonna be a little bit shady to me because Bitcoin still has not met its technical target. So there's still some small drops pending to the downside. Let's see how it's gonna play out. But at the moment, there's a little bit of pull, maybe let's say a relief that can play out. After this release and meeting the technical target, we're going to see how Bitcoin responds to the market, and that's how Solana is going to respond to the market as well. So that's it for this today's quick update. And if you want to learn more about trading, do check out my trading course. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.